Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you a simple thing which is called which can be called as a creating a folder or removing a folder in a media file section in the Wix. So let's get started. So I opened the media section. So here you can upload your media or files or drag and drop files that you want. So to create a folder, just click on here and just add give it name like anything. That's it. So now you can add here. If you want, you can also again add here a new folder, and inside this you can also go and add. You can do multiple times this thing in into folders like this. So here you can add whatever media you want. Then to if you want to, let's say, move this folder to any other folder. So now that I'm going to show you. So let's say here is a folder. Okay. So if you want to move the inside folder here, go to site files and just click here, and it has been moved there. It's like cut and paste thing happened here as we moved there. So that's about it. And if you want to remove or delete the folder completely, you can just move to trash like this. So it's gone. But to undo, it's back. Then you can also rename this like this. You can just cut, paste like this. Then you can also copy this basically. You can also add to board, add to favorites. Also add a new board, then the board name, then create that. That's it. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching.